Today we are going to draw a scorpion. What do you think? Sounds good? All right. Okay, first we're going to draw the head. Now the head is going to be like an oval at the bottom of the page right here. So let's go ahead and draw a nice oval. But we'll work with it. That's great. That's exactly what I was talking about. Let's give our scorpion some fangs. Maybe little bitty ones right there. A little mouth. Okay. That's great. Good job. And then out of here, we're going to draw some little arms, part of the arms. Draw another one on the other side. That's great. Good job. Now, from here, from this part of the arm, we're going to come down. It's like an elbow, but don't close it out. Just kind of put these little lines right here. Okay? That's great. Good job. Now do it on the other side. Ooh, looking good. Okay. Now right here at the bottom, we're going to draw these little, like a moon shape. Okay? This is going to be the pincers, but just like that. Well, you just went for it, which is good. That's great. That's a good way to do it. But here's how I was going to do it. I was just going to make a little. But I like the way you did it too. All right, that's looking good so far. I like your those little things. I don't know what those are.
They suck their blood.
They suck their blood. Okay. Now here's the part where we're gonna overlap. We're gonna have the head overlap so that the body goes back. Okay. So we're gonna draw a big, like sort of like a C-looking shape right there, and it's gonna go. That's right. That's perfect. Okay. And then right above it, we're gonna do another one. Ooh, looking good. Starting to look like a scorpion, isn't it? Now one more, okay? One more. Let's start with our tail. So I'm gonna make another big upside down U right there. Good job. Now, this part is a little tricky. I'm going to make the stinger, but don't connect it to it. But we're just going to make the stinger like an upside down U right about here, right next to it. Okay. Like that. You can make your stinger as sharp as you want. Ooh, yours is super sharp. All right, now this is easy. Now all we're gonna do is connect that and this. Oh, that's good. Now let's give it some legs, and the legs are gonna be pretty fun because all we have to do is make these long ovals. 1, 2, 3, and they're going to come off each one of those. Okay, 4, that's right, because these are arachnids. You're just going to make your maybe throw another one in there. Okay, and then now we're going to do another piece right there. more ovals sticking off, so it looks like They have joints in their legs. You see the knees? Okay. Now, our scorpion needs what?
Eyeball.
Eyeballs, that's right. But I want to make big eyes on mine. So we'll just do a big circle. And then another big circle right there. Ooh, yours looks good. All right. So without coloring it in, just draw some little circles inside your circles. Okay, and the way you did it, you made the whole eye with the shine. So I'm gonna do the same thing. So I'm gonna make another little circle right there, and we're gonna make these whole eyes big and shiny by coloring in everything but those two circles. Look at that. Ooh, yours looks good. Looks like it could sting somebody. I'm gonna make mine have these little lines right there. And you can decorate your scorpion however you want. From this point, it's a scorpion. So what do you say we color it? All right, let's color. It's a great scorpion. Love the wide set eyes. Looks good.